sunshine. So guess what? You probably already know because of the title. Surprise. We are doing my Boxycharm versus Boxycharm Boxy Lux unboxing for this month. So how are you? I hope you're doing well. I hope you are safe. I hope you are happy. I hope you are healthy. The guessing game that we're gonna play today is which one is Boxycharm and which one is Boxy Lux. I think this one is probably Boxy Lux. I think this one is probably Boxycharm. So if you have never been here before, hi, I hope you stay. I hope you enjoy this video. If you've never heard of Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. In it, you get 4 to 5 full-size samples. It's like up to $25, I think. So it's like between 21 and 25 because they changed the prices. I don't remember. It used to be 21. And then Boxy Lux is a quarterly subscription box. In it, you get a lot of full-size samples. I don't remember how much this one is. I'm such a good beauty blogger. Look at me. I don't know which one is which, but I am going to assume this one is Boxy Lux. So I'm very excited to win this one because that's the one we only get every quarter. So with that said, let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. Okay. What? What? Are you serious? Are you serious? Holy smokes. I'm gonna blow a freaking gasket. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? I might actually cry. I'm so excited to try this. I've always wanted to try Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Are you serious? Okay, I feel stupid for crying over makeup, but I am so excited. Oh my gosh, the whole thing is filled. Wait, okay, I'm so wrong. I thought this apparently is Boxycharm Premium. I thought it was Boxy Lux, so maybe this box is Boxy Lux. Oh yeah, I'm totally wrong. Okay, so I messed up. I made a whoopsies, and I thought that I forgot when you get Boxy Lux, you don't get Boxycharm. So this month, what I actually have is Boxycharm Premium, which I think is like $35 a month, and I have Boxy Lux. I cried. I'm so excited. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. Okay, so I can't. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, I can't stop freaking out. I am not ready to function. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull out this blue thing. I wanna see what this blue thing is. Oh my gosh, I am so incredibly blessed. This is so amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna pull out my scissors just so I can have an easier time opening up the package. I can't, like, I always wanted to like try Fenty Beauty and I never have, just cause like, oh, I can't believe this is, oh my gosh. Okay, so look at it. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't open it. Okay. Wow, I've always walked by this stuff in Sephora and I've always been like, oh, I really want to try that. Wow. Look at this. This is so beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see this one, but it's like white iridescent. Wow. So happy. The many emotions of Elizabeth. Wow, this is so beautiful. I can't believe this. I am just tickled pink. Wow, okay. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is this plush matte lipstick from obviously Fenty Beauty. Like Boxycharm. I don't think I can ever be mad at you again. Wow. Thank you. Okay, so this lipstick, ooh, let's see what color. Ooh, that's beautiful. I thought it was gonna be like a brown, but this is what we got. It's in shade Grizzled. I don't know. I suck at pronunciation and I do not want to offend Rihanna by accidentally mispronouncing something. So I can't believe this. so happy. I'm sorry that I keep crying. I'm just so happy. Okay, so this is the Invisimatte blotting paper. Let's see. I have never actually used like makeup blotting papers. I just like grab the nearest napkin or tissue paper or something like that. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. There's a little mirror too. Wow. I feel like the luckiest girl in the whole world right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is it's a freaking highlighter. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna hyperventilate doing this video, but it's totally worth it. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is in shade Trophy Wife. Oh my gosh. 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 Are you serious? This is so beautiful. I don't even want to touch it. Like oh my goodness gracious. That is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, so we have 2 more products left. I just can't believe it. Like, I don't know. I don't have anything to say besides like me balancing in between crying because I'm so happy and just having no words because I'm so happy. Okay. So the next thing is this Universal Lip Luminizer Gloss Bomb. Yeah, Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. Oh, that is so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow. I feel starstruck. It literally feels like Rihanna got wrapped up in a box and then was like, hey girl, I'm your Boxycharm for this month. I feel starstruck. Okay. And the last thing that I'm pulling out is this Matte Stick Shimmering Skin Stick in shade Unicorn. Oh, if it's purple, I'm gonna flip out. And not that I haven't been, I've been flipping out the entire morning. Okay, where can I? Oh my goodness, that is freaking gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I am like, I don't even know if I can do the other box. Like, I don't even know if I can commit to the other box because I am just blown away. I am so blown away. Okay, I had to take a second and like have a little bit of a meltdown. I just feel so incredibly, I just feel so lucky to just have received that. Thank you, Boxycharm. That just, whew, okay, so, hi, I hope you're doing great. I know this is the second half of the video, but hopefully I can calm down a little bit because I am elated. Okay, so I think that this is the Boxy Lux box. So I don't even know. I'm just on cloud 9 right now. Okay, yes, this is Boxy Lux. Okay, so here's our little card. I'm so happy that they sent this out. We have some fun looking brown paper. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. I know nothing will be able to top that. I do not think, I'm going to put this out right now. I do not think any beauty box will be able to top that full on just euphoria that I had opening that box. Like, holy cow. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. This is it. This is the Boxy Lux. I wish I remembered how much the price is, but I'm just gonna keep dropping everything. I don't remember. Okay, so the first thing that I got in here, ooh, Bombshell Baker. I have never heard of that brand before. I hear a lot of metal clinking, so if these are like whisks or something, I'm gonna like flip out. What? What? Am I misunderstanding something here? What? Metal straws. Oh, I thought they were going to be brushes. Okay. At least it came with a little thingy-me-jiggy to clean them with that I already just happened to bend. Okay, so fun. Never received that in a subscription box ever before. I've only actually ever gotten metal straws from Jeffree Star mystery boxes, but this is a subscription box, so this is different. Okay, let's see what I got in this eyeshadow palette. Yes. Ooh. Hello Charmer Boxycharm palette. Okay, this is fun. I love this. Okay, Boxycharm Canada, Boxycharm. Oh! Okay, Boxycharm, who did this month? You need to just do all the boxes for like ever. Please. Holy crow cap is what I was gonna say. Holy cow and holy crap. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's gorgeous. Okay, Boxycharm. Okay, I'm so excited that I'm putting these out. I just lost my last one and I'm like, I don't know where to buy these. The invisible bobble hairbands, and I hate having my hair down. I don't ever feel like it looks styled. Like I feel like my hair doesn't look like prime right now. So just like throwing it up in a half bun makes me feel like, hey, at least I put a little bit of like effort into styling my hair. Also, in addition, I hate having my hair like in my face. Like my phone just it let me know that it's dying. Like I know this doesn't look great. This doesn't look great. I was gonna be like, but at least it's up and out of my face, and there's no coming back from that. So yes, you can see like I don't feel like my hair looks that great. Like I love the color of it, but when in terms of like styling, I don't really know how to do anything with my hair. So I just throw it up in a half bun and I'm like, hey, this is me. So I love these so much, and they don't leave my hair feeling like damaged or anything like that. Okay. The next thing that I'm pulling out is, this Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Massage and serums, soft silicone bristles, waterproof, ergonomic design, easy AA battery. Okay, that's fun. A cleanser stick. At least it's not like at least it's not like a wash. Like I'm not mad at that at all. Okay, so I got 2 of these. I've received the Bum Bum cream before in Boxycharm. I got that last year. And this is the Coco Cabana cream. I wonder if these both help your butt. I don't know. But these, okay. I like the smell of this one. Let's see what this bad boy smells like. Oh, that smells like vanilla. Heck yeah, that did not smell like Cabana coconut, which is what I was expecting. That's cute. Okay, and we got 3 more things in here. This is like really dirty. I don't know why. Like, maybe it's because of the paper that was in there, but do you guys see, like, I know it's not like super like close up, but if you can see all the dirt, don't know what that's from. This is a lip line corrector. I've never received anything like that in any subscription box ever. Boxycharm, girl, you go get them. You go tell them. You go remind them that you are the supreme box, because you won. You won this one. Oh my gosh. I have NARS right here in my hand. Oh my gosh. What shade is this? Call me. This is a Power Matte Lip Pigment. I don't know what that is, but I like NARS. I've never heard of the Power Matte. Oh. Oh, that's so pretty. I feel so blessed. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. And then this is a limited edition design. Show Me Your Cheeks blush, peach pink. From Alizabeth Mott. Okay, I like blush. I actually love blush. I prefer receiving blush in like these individuals than the palettes, because I feel like the individuals are just such a pretty shade, and this is gorgeous. This is one that I will definitely be using. I struggled to open it up and I was like, I don't know if I can do this, but this is like perfect for my skin. So let's talk about pricing for a second. Okay, so the QMS the lip line corrector has a retail value of $200. The Brazilian Bum Bum cream and the Coco Cabana cream duo has a retail value of $15. The Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette, which I'm gonna read for a second. It says this exclusive Hello Charmer palette features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades made specifically with our charmers in mind. These high pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth textures for transitional day to night looks. That has a retail value of $39. The Smart Facial Cleansing Device has a retail value of $99. The Power Matte Lip Pigment from NARS has a retail value of $25. The Show Me Your Cheeks Blush has a retail value of $23. The hairbands have a retail value of $8. And the Bombshell Baker Stainless Steel Straw Set has a retail value of $21. At first I was a little bit like, oh, this doesn't look like a lot in here, but I actually feel like this was a really refreshing box. There's a lot of stuff that I've never seen or heard or received in any of these subscription boxes before. So Boxycharm, you freaking killed it. Thank you so much for blessing me so much. I am still just so blown away by that Fenty Beauty box. And Boxy Lux this month was actually really nice too. So what did you guys think? What was your favorite box and what was your favorite product in both boxes? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much and I will see you in the next video.